chemistry of lesson 7, and the topic is chlorine. And we hope that you are enjoying this teaching of our crucial term. Okay, here we are going to talk about the next purpose, that is chlorine. And chlorine will be very interesting part and you will enjoy. Hope that you are going to enjoy. So if we talk about the chlorine, then the preparation of chlorine can be done very nicely. Actually, chlorine first time was discovered in 1774 by skill boy, the actions of HCl on Mn2. Okay, in 1810, Humphrey Davy established its elementary natures and suggested the chlorine is a gas. Okay, and its name is given is very interesting. In Greek, chloros, the word meaning greenish yellow color, and on account of that, as the chlorine was greenish yellow color, its name is given chlorine. So why the name of chlorine is chlorine, that we have discussed just. You get the point of this. Now, preparation. So preparation of chlorine can be done in many ways. In laboratory, it is very simple to prepare the chlorine manganese oxide, that is MnO2, when react with the concentrate HCl. At that time, it is producing chlorine. See this reaction. So the reaction now very understandable with you. Okay, what is happening here? So MnO2 is going to react with HCl to give chlorine, water and MnCl2. So this will be interesting topic about the chlorine, how chlorine is made in laboratory. Then mixture of common salt reacted with concentrated HCl, that is NaCl, when react with the H2SO4 with MnO2, then also chlorine is produced. Okay, so if HCl is not available and you want to use H2SO4, then you can use H2SO4 by using the HCl. So that is the target. Very simply, in laboratory you are able to prepare the chlorine. One more thing, and it is very interesting, potassium permanganate. When react with that, but here more amount of HCl is necessary. Okay, then also chlorine gas is okay, but this chlorine gas produced should not have any greenish color. Means it has greenish color, but some violet also maintain it. So that's why you are not able to watch out that. Okay, so these are two methods in laboratory where you the chlorine. Now we are going to talk about same thing, but now it is industrial to stop industrially how made. So by industrially, the chlorine is made by Deccan process. In Deccan process, it is very simple. Oxidation of hydride gas by atmospheric oxygen in presence of CuCl2 catalysis done. And dear students, this reaction is most important for examination. It is moreover asked as a complete the chemical reaction. Okay, so HCl plus O2, that gives CuCl2, that gives Cl2 in presence of CuCl2. And the question might ask like this an exam કે આવો question પૂછાય છે કે ભાઈ L plus O2, then that's give here you will give arrow, પછી અહીંયા લખેલું હોય, here it is written A, then here it B plus C. So you have to identify this. Okay, what is those? So A શું છે, B શું છે, and that all you have to identify. So this is the question. Our question હોય છે કે by HCl plus O2 that's give ના arrow પર A હશે, B હશે. So that's why you have to remember the preparation of a chlorine by industrially in this manner. Okay. Electrolysis process of NaCl also has the chlorine, that is the brine solution. So brine solution is nothing but the concentrated NaCl solution. You can take C. Chlorine is liberated at anode. It is also obtained as byproduct of many chemical reaction industries. So chlorine is an important thing for the preparation. Hope that you understand the preparation of the chlorine. Okay, now we are going to talk about the properties of chlorine. So let's study properties of chlorine. Properties. It is a greenish yellow color gas with a pungent and suffocating odor. એ આપણા શ્વાસમાં જાય તો એ આપણા ફેફસા ઉપર ઓક્સિજન ના જવા દે. It is look like carbon dioxide. So it has suffocating character. That's why it is very important to stay away from the chlorine. Sometimes to produce chlorine in much amount in industries, in home is very simple, and at that time how you can come through from the chlorine is important. And according to me, at that time you should wear the mask which is of the carbon નો layer લગાડી દેવાનું ફટાફટ અને એનો માસ્ક atmosphere માં જાઓ. So chlorine will be absorbed by the mask and you will smell breathe oxygen. So that is another idea of the chlorine. It is about 2 to 5 times heavier than air, and this is the another important point. Okay, when chlorine leakage is come out, at that time it will not go up, it is remaining downwards only because it is heavier 2 to 5 times, and that's why we have to take lots of precautions for the chlorine. So hope that you understand this point also. Next, it can be liquefied easily into greenish liquid which boils at 239 Kelvin. So its boiling point is nothing but the 239 Kelvin, or its liquefaction point is also same. So that we can say here okay, its boiling point is 239 Kelvin and it will be converted into greenish yellow liquid. It is very soluble in water. So these are the properties of chlorine. Now we are going to talk about uses. For bleaching wood pulp required for the manufacture of paper and rayon, the bleaching agent it is used out. That you have seen yesterday in the chemical reactions of the chlorine. See what we are doing. First we are seeing the chem, then we are studying the chlorine. But there is no relation between this. So that's why I have done like that. Okay, bleaching cotton and textile industries. In the extraction of gold and platinum. That also you have seen yesterday. Okay, dyes, drugs and organic compounds such as CHCl3, DDT, etc. can be chlorine, and also refrigerating agents. In the drinking water, and this is the important part. Okay, it can kill the bacteria of that's why it is used as a sterilizing as a water industries. Okay. Preparations of poisonous gas such as the phosgene, tear gas. Now you used to see the tear gas vacuum. So this is the tear gas, CCl3NO2, mustard gas, and this all. So COCl2 is the phosgene, is also poisonous. It nose ni અંદર આપણને irritation કરાવે. CCl3NO2, that is the tear gas, આંખમાં બળતરા કરાવે. Mustard gas. See the mustard gas formula like this. કેવી રીતે તમારે યાદ રાખવાની છે ફોર્મ્યુલા? તેની ફોર્મ્યુલા તમારે યાદ રાખવાની છે. પહેલા S લખો, પછી CH2CH2Cl આ બાજુ, CH2CH2Cl આ બાજુ. That's all. Be happy.